Hello everyone, a special thank you to Michael in Wesley Chapel, Florida. This is freeprescriptionlenses.com, where everyone loves a bargain and no one is disappointed with quality. And I just showed you 2 of the 8 frames from Lilia, and if I had 8 thank yous for Lilia, I've got 55 thank yous for Michael. He's been ordering lenses from me for about 7 years now. Continues to do so even though his daughter is a licensed optician in Florida where he lives. But I greatly appreciate everything you do for me and your continued business support. Now, I did not sell him any of these frames. He likes things that are very different, more high-end that I carry. He purchases the frames, sends them to me for his progressive lenses. And, well, let me start with this one, the from Teo. It looks like the Japanese temple design on there. Not this kind of temple, the spiritual temple that they did. The pagodas, is that what they're called? I have no idea. And I think that's Spanish. So, mispronouncing things is what I do best. So, and misspeaking as well. So, but again, these are from Teo. This is the Miso, and Teo is made in Belgium. Now, I've got 2 of these ready to ship. This one's a little tricky. It's not a regular screw to undo to take the lenses out. It looks like there's a star wrench or a little tiny Allen wrench. I actually don't know. Whatever is metric, I doubt it's the standard American, but I'm going to have to find a tool because none of my screwdrivers or wrenches have been able to open those up. But with his amount of astigmatism, they have to be oriented and they're just right, but I'm going to make it happen. But so this one's not going to ship today, the Teo. But these are his Salvatore Ferragamo. There's my bad Italian accent, but he got the Zeiss Photofusion brown in here. In fact, let's go ahead and activate these. He's doing the gray in this pair, although this is my favorite pair. Look at even the styling of the case and the box, how they do that. I'm going to slide everything out. Now these are Sabine, another French company. He's doing Belgium, Italian, and then the Belgium. Let's see how these look with the Photofusion brown lenses in there. It was a quick burst. I can do a second one, but they will get much darker. But that looks really good in this frame. But let's show this one, shall we? You get a humongous cleaning cloth in here, or unless it's a t-shirt. I don't know. It's the largest one I've ever seen. Oh, a little thank you card. Let's read that. Oh, it's in a different language, but I think it says congratulations on your purchase. So, where's Google Translate when you need it? But really cool case. And now I will wear some different things. I've been in the industry for a long time. I've been to trade shows. I see some different pair, but this one is really nice. This one is called the Idol line. Very unique styling. One of the best things about it, of course, the minute styling, a little square and a circle. The circle and the square, that is Sabine's logo, and they use that as their hinge that holds, essentially it's the shield that holds the rivet into place. Same as on the front. But one thing I really like, you've got the blue square on one temple tip and the red circle on another. Just really, really nice styling. But the French, as Jigsaw tells me, have their own or different couture than everyone else. But he got the Zeiss Photofusion Blue lenses in here. Take a look at how cool this looks while they are clear. Now let me go ahead and activate these. Really, really nice pair. Keep sending me frames like this to work on. Less of these, more of these. But as you can see, it takes about 30 to 45 seconds for the lenses to darken. A little bit longer when you come back inside. 45 seconds to a minute 15. Now, Michael and everyone else watching, pay attention. All Photofusion lenses or photochromic lenses will get dark on day 1 and continue to darken every day for the first couple weeks they're exposed. After that, they will work for years at maximum performance. The only time they won't work is if you're behind the windshield of a car. Your windshield absorbs the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays that would cause your dashboard to crack from sitting in the sun all day, and that's why they don't turn dark in a car. If you have a convertible or a motorcycle, yes. They're also temperature sensitive, meaning, look at that. That is just the bomb. That looks so good in this frame, if I may say so myself. But they're also temperature sensitive, meaning they will get darker when it's 85 and below than they will when it's 95 and above. But I remind everyone, when it's 100 degrees outside, you're miserable, they're miserable. Nobody or nothing works 100% when it's 100 degrees outside. We all work much better when it cools off. Now, having said that, there is the Zeiss Photofusion Extra Gray that will get darker in hotter weather. Now, the Zeiss Photofusion Gray, Brown, Green, or Blue adds $99 to any purchase. The Extra Active Gray is $129. You can put any anti-glare coating on there that you want. I can do these in single vision. I can do these in progressives. I'm a little bit limited in what I can do in the traditional line style bifocal. When I say line style, it's the kind our grandparents wore for years and years. And yes, I'm wearing them too here at the computer. But in homage to my grandfather who raised me. He only lived half a block away, and my grandparents were very instrumental in my development. Of course, they'll say lack of, but hey, you know, they tried. They're not miracle workers, but they turned me into the person I am today. But speaking of today, again, just want to thank Michael. He actually reached out to me one time when he had a health scare from the hospital. I happened to get up at 4:30 a.m. He'd been in there all night and was scared, reached out to me. I was sitting there texting back and forth to him because I realized he was alone with nobody there. And even though this is mail order, I can still do the little bit I can to help with humanity. We all need someone to reach out to at certain times in our life, and I was glad that I could do that for Michael. He's healed up nicely and continuing to purchase the repeat business from the website. And you can see how fast that Photofusion Blue is turning back to clear after twice exposing them to a strong burst of ultraviolet light. Now, again, full disclosure, I'm wearing the Photofusion Blue in my Christian eyewear. I even sent him a pair. In fact, on top of that, when he got the 50 pair from me, I told him, send me another pair. The next one's on the house. So everyone out there watching, when you buy 50 pairs of lenses from me, glasses or lenses, your 50th pair is free. Michael can attest to that. So, but nonetheless, Michael, speaking of which, since you have made all the purchases, you can now leave a product review on the website. You'll be sent a link for that, and you can talk about your shopping experience with me over the last 7 years. And I think that covers it. So if anyone has any questions, go to the contact me page of the website. You can call someone live at 919-491-2411. You can also send text messages to that number if you don't have time to talk on the phone but just want to answer question answered quickly. You can also leave a question or comment in the comment section below. But Michael in Wesley Chapel, Florida, thank you so much times 55. I'll get the first two shipped today. Oh, my wife is texting me. I'll get the Ferragamos and the Sabines shipped, and I'll keep working on these Teos. That's what the holdup is, but we'll make it happen. So again, thanks for watching, and now hopefully everyone else has gotten a chance to see how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses. Thank you.